Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful and easy baby blanket pattern. This pattern is only 4 rows repeated, and you can change the yarn every 4 rows. This is very nice for dresses and skirts, or you can use it for any projects you want. For this pattern I used Alice Baby Best and 3.5mm hook. If you're ready, let's get started. I start with first yarn and make a slip knot, then chain a multiple of 9 plus 1. I make 28 chains and skip first chain from the hook and insert the hook into the second and make a single crochet, again single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next, and single crochet into the next. I have 4 single crochets, and now I make 3 single crochet into next chain here. 1, again insert the hook into same chain, 2 and 3. Then make single crochet into each of next 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And into next chain again make 3 single crochet. 1, 2 into the same chain, and 3 single crochet into the next chain. Again make single crochet into next 8 chains and then 3 single crochet into the next, and repeat that until the end. At the end I have 4 chains. Make single crochet into each of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, first row is finished, and for second row turn the work in this row and each of other rows. From here I make stitches into back loop of each stitch of previous row. Here insert the hook into back loop of each stitch, but in this row I want to first slip stitch into back loop of second stitch. Okay, I skip first stitch and insert into back loop of second stitch and make a slip stitch. I start row 2 from here, chain 1 and make a single crochet into same back loop, then single crochet into back loop of next stitch, 2, single crochet into back loop of next, 3, and single crochet into back loop of next, 4. Okay, and then make 3 single crochets into back loop of next. Actually this is middle stitch of 3 stitches of previous row. Here insert the hook into this stitch and make 3 single crochet into back loop. Okay, single crochet into the next, 1, single crochet into the next, 2, single crochet into the third, and single crochet into the fourth. Okay, after 4 single crochet skip 2 stitch, 1 and 2, and insert the hook into the next. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and then I reach the middle stitch of 3 stitches of previous row. Insert the hook into back loop and make 3 single crochets into that. 1, 2 and 3, and again 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then skip next 2 stitches and then repeat that sequence. You have to repeat that sequence, and notice that in this row and other rows we have to make stitches into back loop of previous row. Okay, at the end, after these 3 stitches, make single crochet into back loop of each of next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and then skip last stitch of previous row. Don't make a single crochet into that. For third row, turn the work and again skip first stitch and make a slip stitch into back loop of second stitch here. Chain 1 and repeat second row. I make 4 single crochets first into same stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then 3 single crochet into middle stitch of those 3 stitches of previous row. Then single crochet into next 4 stitches, 2, 3 and 4, and skip next 2 stitches and repeat that until the end. And at the end, skip last stitch. I repeat that until the end, and then I'll come back. Okay, at the end, skip last stitch of previous row and turn the work, and in this row skip first stitch and make a slip stitch into back loop of second stitch. 1, then again slip stitch into back loop of next stitch. Okay, actually I skip first 2 stitches in this row, and then chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yarn over 4 times and insert the hook into next chain, into back loop of next chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 and repeat that 4 more times. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Actually I repeat that 5 times totally. Again, yarn over 4 times and insert the hook into back loop of next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop and yarn over, pull through 2 5 times. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I have 3 stitches, and again yarn over 4 times and make 3 stitch into next stitch. This stitch is the middle stitch of 3 single crochet of previous row. Okay, I make 3 stitch into here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over 4 times, insert the hook into same stitch and yarn over, pull through 5 times. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4. Insert the hook into same stitch for last time. Yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. I made 3 stitches into same stitch. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and make into back loop of next stitch. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4 times, yarn over 4 times, insert into next stitch, into back loop of that, and make the stitch into here. And for last time, yarn over 4 times and make into third stitch. Okay, actually I have 3 stitches at the beginning, then 3 stitch in this stitch, and after that 3 stitch into each of next 3 stitches. Okay, then skip 1, 2, 3, and 4 stitches. Okay, and then yarn over 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make the stitch into next. Okay, again yarn over 4 times and insert the hook into next and make the stitch. Again yarn over 4 times and insert the hook into the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and yarn over 4 times and make 3 stitches into next stitch, into back loop of that. This is the first stitch, yarn over 4 times, insert into same stitch. This is second stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is third stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 1 stitch into each of next 3 stitches. Then skip next 4 stitches and repeat that for other stitches until the end. At the end, skip last 2 stitches, such as beginning of this row, and then I can fasten off and cut the yarn. Okay, for second color I have to make a slip knot and then turn the work and attach the yarn into first stitch into back loop of that, and then I have to repeat row 1, chain 1, and make a single crochet into same stitch, then single crochet into back loop of next stitch, 2, single crochet into back loop of next, 3, and single crochet into back loop of next, 4. I move the yarn into the work. Okay, then make 3 single crochet into back loop of next stitch, 1, 2, and 3. Then make 8 single crochets into next stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, I made 8 stitches without any skipping. Okay, and then repeat this sequence. I make 3 single crochet into back loop of next, 1, 2, 3, and then 8 single crochet without skipping, and continue until the end. And after that, we have to repeat row 2, 3, and 4. Actually, these 4 rows must be repeated several times until you reach the desired height for your work. And you can see this pattern at the end, and you have to change the yarn every 4 rows. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.